Heath Hawkins. I'm the head of creative at Proxley. We're the ones that put the Museum of Bitcoin together.
Oh, that's awesome. This is such a great idea. You're celebrating a decade-old Bitcoin.
Hell yeah. And so let's check it out.
Yeah, let's go inside. I'm excited for this, guys. Oh. Whoa, look at these guys. So, can you explain this more? What we got here?
So this is kind of the cypherpunk movement, right? This is the start of the drive towards anonymity, people wanting to be anonymous online and not be watched over, right? So there was a lot of forces that kind of led to Bitcoin. It didn't just spring up out of nowhere, right? But it was definitely a little bit ominous. You don't really know what's ahead until, of course, you get here.
The privacy aspect is very important.
Right, and then you get here to the Genesis.
The Genesis block. Oh
Yeah.
my God! Look at the Mount Rushmore.
Right, so this
Must
is
ride.
Mount Fake Toshi over here. Still don't know
Awesome.
who Satoshi is.
So great.
Got the Genesis block.
We kind of know who he is.
You think you know? Brendan
Yeah,
thinks he knows. We all have our guesses.
We all have our guesses, definitely.
So
this
we
is
got here the Genesis block.
This is kind of the concepts, some of the vision behind.
Laid out in there in form of art.
Right, exactly. And then, of course, if there's anyone, I don't know if there's anyone more fitting than myself over here with my outfit right now, but
Satoshi Nakamoto.
right now I am.
It's awesome.
Cool.
Great.
So
Let's move to the next section.
The block throne.
The block throne. There we go, a new section, guys. You're coming. Oh, the first Bitcoin pizza. 10,000 Bitcoins.
10,000 Bitcoin.
Awesome.
Ridiculous. You got the wall of shame back here for all of those selling
All those
far
tweeters.
too early.
Awesome. Go for it. Let's read this one here. I wish I had kept my at 1700 BTC at 0.06 instead of selling them at 0.30. Now they're $8. I remember those posts. It's pretty crazy.
We calculated it. I think if you sold at the peak, it'd be about $34 million, something like that, off a very small investment.
$34 million. Okay, this is the proof that short-term trading is not worth it.
Over here we got DPR 2.9. He's an anonymous cryptocurrency artist.
Awesome.
Paintings go for far too much these days.
Yeah. You guys got one here.
Yeah, so we got one here, and we got very fitting. We got the pizza one. So if you see in the middle,
Oh, the pizza.
it says spells out pizza in there. So very lucky to have this.
Nice dude.
Yeah. So that guy's crazy. It's
Awesome. A lot of good art here.
like the cryptocurrency Banksy.
Let's go. Another section of museum. Pizza all over. Check this out, guys. We're getting into a jail. We're getting into the dark side of the crypto. Oh, what we got here? This looks very terrifying.
As it should be. This is Ross's jail cell, of course. A lot of what we're doing here is trying to help humanize him and help, bring attention to kind of how unfair the different sentences were here. As you can see, the other people, contributors to the Silk Road, admins.
No, definitely. That's so important to get great awareness.
We have these markers here, and what we're going to try to do is have this start out as kind of a bleak jail cell, and by the end of it have so many messages of hope and connection that it's like this beautiful art piece at the end.
Yeah, guys, come over and give your signature here. It's so important to support this cause.
Might as well.
Yeah, definitely. None of us knows what is to be in a situation like this.
Yeah,
It's
I could
definitely.
barely be in here for like 2 or 3 minutes, so
Yeah, you're right.
And we over here we got the tweets that he's been dictating. We got them written down in these notebooks. You can see we got Schubert, the apple plant, the apple tree that's been growing lately in the shoe, and we got Schubert over there, of course.
It's amazing. You guys really did a good job with this.
Thank you, man.
It's very detailed. Yeah. Let's go to the last section here.
Yeah, it's the last
And what we got?
So we got this is kind of very bear for a reason. This is the great bear market of 2014. This is when we lose it all.
Yeah,
This is when
it was
there's
lost from $1,000 to 60. I think that was.
So this is what probably most people's apartment looked like. Just about nothing in it. We got
Oh, we got Mount Gox right here.
Mount
Check it out.
hopefully we can dismantle this thing as the conference goes on and bring it down. Hopefully. And we can finally move on to the last section in here. Things are about to get really colorful.
Are we getting into the future?
We're getting into the future, indeed.
Oh. Who knows what the future holds for Bitcoin? Looks amazing. Oh, what do you got there?
This thing is totally
awesome.
touch sensitive. Very cool. And as well, let's see what we got here.
Oh, you can play music on it.
No, it will
goes with
respond
music.
Yeah, respond to music, your voice, everything. So, hello? Yeah.
Bull run. He'll turn orange. That'll be fun.
There we go, guys. And
Awesome.
eventually we're going to have the VR set up here, so we'll have a little bit of virtual reality experiences going on.
A virtual crypto world, and we can all become millionaires and have Lambos.
We can only hope.
Awesome. Thank you so much. Pleasure to
Absolutely.
meet you.
What's your name?
Antonio.
Antonio, my name's Heath
Yeah.
Hawkins. Nice
Check
to
out B-Tips for the video.
meet you. Yeah, dude, Bits, that's hilarious.
Nothing but the tips.
Nothing but the tips. Let's go, Bits.